सहयोगी बन सकते हैं। जयदेव गाला जी।
Thank you, Madam. Madam, the recent acid attack on a doctor in Delhi reminds us once again the gravity of the problem of acid attacks in this country. As per the Home Ministry, nearly 400 acid attacks are reported every month in the country. These are only the reported cases, but there are many more unreported cases as well. The long-term consequences of these attacks may include blindness, as well as permanent scarring of the face and body. In spite of taking a slew of measures like regulating the sale of acids, increasing penal provisions, bringing awareness among the people, etc., this menace is not coming down, and in many cases, the perpetrators either go scot-free or escape with minor penalty. According to the Law Commission report, acid attack is an extremely violent crime to which the perpetrator seeks to inflict severe physical and mental suffering on the victim. This kind of violence is often motivated by deep-seated jealousy or feelings of revenge against women. So I request the Government of India to categorize acid attack as a heinous crime and make necessary amendments to the Criminal Procedure Code, ensure time-bound investigation and speedy trial of such cases. Secondly, I also request the Government of India to take steps to include acid attack victims under the physically challenged category, which will allow them some benefits in reservation, getting loans, etc., and help them come out of this trauma and stand on their own legs. Madam, the Supreme Court just 10 to 12 days ago ruled that all acid attack victims should be treated free of cost, even in private hospitals, Madam. So I would request the government to expedite this and issue instructions to all hospitals to please include this. Thank you, Madam.
श्रीमती जय